Hi, and welcome in another episode of Cloud in 5 minutes. Today, I want to show you how simple it is to configure all your VMs so they could shut down automatically in only one click. Aussi, si vous préférez, j'ai une version en français de cette vidéo. Cliquez sur le lien en haut à droite. Hello again, let me introduce myself. I'm Frank Boucher, Microsoft Azure MVP, based at Montreal. In a previous episode, I showed you how you could, at the creation time, configure a VM so it will shut down automatically. What if you have already a lot of VMs running in Azure? Today, I want to show you how simple it is to change all those configurations and turn it off automatically. Let's get started. Okay, so we are here in the Azure portal, and of course for this demo I will need a VM, so this is my VM. I just want to show you guys that the VM right now is not configured to be auto shutdown. So to see that, I go here and I scroll until the operation panel and I click on the auto shutdown. Now you can see that the property is now disabled. I already prepared a PowerShell script and I will explain every step with you. Of course, before getting started, it's a good idea to get connected. So Login-AzureRmAccount. Then with the 2-second command, we'll select the subscription we will work on. For me, it's FB Azure MVP. That's the name of my subscription. We'll need the ID and different things. Okay, now with this command, it's whatever you want. The goal here is to have a subset of VMs, all the VMs that I want to automatically shut down. In my case, it's all the VM contained in the resource group Cloud 5 minutes. For you, it could be all Windows VM, all Linux VM, all VM with a specific tab, whatever. Okay? Next, we'll loop through all those VMs one by one and change the configuration. So I will need the resource group. Yes, in my sample, it's always the same, but maybe for yours, it's not. So that's why I put it there. So also I need the vm.Name, so with this column. On line 15, I get the resource ID of the property I want to change, the object I want to change. So one important point now here to see is the provider is not virtual machine, is DevTestlab, because remember, it was a property from DevTestlab that is now available with VMs. And so get scheduled through that, and the name is shutdown-computer with the vm.Name. Next, with all those here, we had the array of properties. So the first one here is the main one. It's the status. So what we want to do is enable it. Before in the portal, I show it to you, it was disabled. Targeting the resource, so we'll use that one. Then we specify the task, the daily occurrence. For me right now, it's 21, so 9 p.m. Next, we specify the time zone. So for me, it's Eastern. For you, it's whatever you want. You could also use UTC. And then if you want, you could set notification settings if you want to hook it or receive an email or whatever. So what's next? We just need to add this new resource. It will be bound to our existing VM and the property will be set. Let's try it. So I run F5 and we wait. Voila, already it's done. We see the status now is enabled. So let's go check in the Azure portal. If I go in the Azure portal, I will go back to my Cloud in 5 minutes, pick up my dev box or my VM and scroll down again, click on auto shutdown and see now it should be enabled. So we see 9 p.m. my time zone, it's enabled. Perfect, everything is working. Voila, not bad for a little script, eh? I will put it in the video description also if you want to reuse it. The reason I like this method is because with that, all VMs are empowered, are responsible, and manage their own schedule. A different way would be to create a scheduled task that run, and you could, with any kind of code, have a subset of many different VMs and based on a very complex schedule, turn on and turn off different VMs. I prefer my method because if something bad happened to the schedule, then nothing works anymore. Having the VMs managing their own schedule, meaning that if something bad happened to one VM, then it's only one VM. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful. And one more thing, I'm curious, share with me, what do you do for managing all your VMs and save money? Do you have like a local script? Do you turn off and turn on through the portal? Do you use this kind of script? Do you use a job? Write it down below in the comments. I will be super happy to read it. I'm really interested. See you next time. Bye.